Here's my rep session from the other day. This is the session details report. I've drilled in here from the session screen. I can see exactly what they showed to a customer. How long did they spend on each page? What did they talk about? Which buttons did they view? Did they show all of the buttons on a page? If I know what kind of lead it was, there might be some content I'd expect to see. Here, they've launched into the roofing presentation. And we can even see when a rep pauses the presentation to open another app or maybe do an inspection. This detailed view becomes really essential when using one rep's performance to coach another one. So, if you see one rep closing more deals who spends more time on a certain piece of content, and there's another rep closing fewer deals who breezes through that content, you can talk to that rep and say, hey, you'd probably close more deals if you spent more time talking about this.